Good PM. Ngayon po ay Thursday, September 12, 2024 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong Thursday, September 12, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong September 12, 2024 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Thursday, September 12, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 is 9 million pesos and Super Lotto 649 estimated jackpot price is 48.5 million pesos for Thursday, September 12, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Thursday, September 12, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.